Hello YouTube, I'm just going to do a quick video on a problem I'm having with my 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is the 5.3 liter V8. I had the same exact problem on my old 2008 Chevy Silverado with the 5.3 V8, and it's not extremely noticeable unless you're listening for it, but right off the manifold there is a gasket between the manifold and the catalytic converter on both driver and passenger side. I don't know if you'll be able to see that one that well, but the gasket that they put on these is really crappy. I don't know if you'll be able to see. When you put your foot down on the accelerator, you hear kind of like a rotational ticking noise, and I just wanted to let you know that that's more than likely what your problem is. If you have the radio off and the air conditioning off and you're listening to it, it's real easy to pick up on, and it's just a really crappy gasket, an OEM gasket that GM uses. So if it's annoying to you, I would highly recommend taking it to a shop and getting something that's not an OEM part. On my 2008, I took it to a shop and they put a thicker gasket in, and it stopped. However, this is a lease vehicle, so I'm not really looking at going and replacing it, because the dealership will replace it if they see fit. But you're not really going to notice the noise unless you drive the vehicle a lot. I know there's a lot of times once you drive a vehicle a lot, you start to notice things that are off about it, or things that don't sound right, and that's what it is. In my particular case, I believe it's coming from the driver's side, just because I can hear it. It's a lot more audible than I feel like it would be if it was on the passenger side, and like I said, it's like a rotational clicking noise, very faint, but it is that gasket down there between the manifold and the catalytic converter, and they have the same thing on the opposite side, the passenger side. So just a little video update. That's what the problem is, and it's a pretty cheap fix, so don't freak out if you have that problem. Thanks for watching.